How to recognize a toxic relationship, and what to do about it. Recognizing a toxic relationship is crucial for your emotional and mental well-being. Toxic relationships can be emotionally, mentally, or even physically harmful. Here are some signs to help you recognize a toxic relationship, along with steps to take if you find yourself in one. Signs of a toxic relationship. Constant negative energy. If you feel consistently drained, anxious, or unhappy when you are with the other person, it may be a sign of a toxic relationship. Lack of respect. In a healthy relationship, there is mutual respect. In a toxic one, there is a lack of respect for your boundaries, opinions, or feelings. Manipulation and control. Toxic individuals may try to control or manipulate you, often using guilt, fear, or other tactics to get their way. Frequent conflict. While conflict is normal in any relationship, constant, unresolved, or escalating conflict can indicate toxicity. Isolation. If the person is isolating you from friends and family, or if they isolate themselves from your support system, it's a concerning sign. Emotional abuse. Toxic relationships can involve emotional abuse, such as name-calling, belittling, or gaslighting. Physical abuse. Any form of physical abuse, including hitting, pushing, or any kind of violence, is a clear sign of a toxic and dangerous relationship. Constant criticism. A toxic person may criticize and demean you consistently, eroding your self-esteem and self-worth. What to do about a toxic relationship. Recognize it. The first step is acknowledging that you are in a toxic relationship. Trust your instincts and feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it likely isn't. Set boundaries. Establish and maintain clear boundaries. Communicate your limits and expectations to the other person. If they disregard your boundaries, it may be time to reconsider the relationship. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist about your situation. They can offer guidance, emotional support, and an objective perspective. Consider distance. Depending on the level of toxicity, you may need to create physical or emotional distance from the person. This can help you gain clarity and protect your well-being. End the relationship. If the relationship is causing you significant harm and is unlikely to improve, consider ending it. This can be a difficult and painful step, but it is sometimes necessary for your own safety and happiness. Self-care. Focus on self-care and healing. Reconnect with your interests, hobbies, and passions. Surround yourself with positive influences and work on rebuilding your self-esteem. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with the effects of a toxic relationship, consider seeking therapy or counseling to help you recover and rebuild your life. Remember that it's important to prioritize your well-being and safety. Ending a toxic relationship can be difficult, but it is often the healthiest choice in the long run. Seek support from professionals and loved ones to help you navigate the process of healing and moving forward. Your happiness and mental health should be your top priority.